Vlogmas. Hey you guys, so today is Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday. And me and Leah, we are on our way to have lunch with my husband. Now, this morning when I dropped this man off at 7 o'clock, I'm like 8 o'clock. I dropped him off at 8 o'clock. He couldn't find his card. And a lot of, like, the place where we were going to go for lunch only takes cash. So I was like, okay, babe, we'll look for your card and, I'll go and grab the cash off. And then, because he only gets an hour for lunch, I'll go and grab the cash off or whatever. And then I could just pick you up and we can go to lunch and we could get there by like 11:05 or whatever. Because it's probably like a 3-minute drive from his job to, the place we were going to go eat. This man is like, okay, I can't find my card. I was like, all right, fine. Look for your card. It's now after 11. The point is, I text him at, 10:40, 10:30, was like, you find the card? He didn't respond. Okay, so he's at a meeting at work. Okay, fine. I understand you at work. You got meetings, whatever. But if you knew we was going to lunch at 11, why you didn't been look for your card? Why you wait until 11 to be like, oh, where you at? Well, where you think I'm at if you ain't tell me you had your card? He's like, oh, you should have just looked for it. Now, how much sense does it make for me to just be in the house looking for a debit card if you got it in like one of your pockets or in your wallet behind another card? How much sense does that make? Please tell me. So now, since I could eat lunch at whatever time, but he only has an hour. So now I'm gonna have to rush to eat so that he can get back to work. And y'all, let me tell y'all what time it is. Sorry, y'all. I always do that. I'm like highly irritated because I can't. My clock say 11:17, so it's probably like 11:14 or something. It's already been 15 minutes. His lunch. So what am I supposed to eat? Oh, it got dark. Now, how am I supposed to eat in that little bit of time? And then we gotta leave the restaurant early just so he can get back to work on time. Y'all, I am highly upset with this man because you knew we was having lunch at 8 o'clock this morning. So why you wait until 11 o'clock to look for your card? Yeah. Foolery, right? Foolery. And this joker ain't even out here waiting. He should be out here, ready to go. Ready. Where he at? Where he at, though? All right, y'all. So he getting his life, okay? Because I was like, I hope you got some extra time for lunch because okay, I'm hungry. I was like, I ain't been back to sleep either. I've been up since 7. And what time I go to sleep? 2:30? I don't know what time I went to sleep. It was like 2 something. Yeah, tiny. So he is at the ATM, and y'all, it's 11:20. I was like, I hope you got some extra time. He was like, yeah. Call me back girl, because I'm the sidekick. Disrespectful. Here you come now.
Hey, up.
You got my money?
Yes.
How you pull out 40?
I did. Don't record me.
Don't count your money?
No.
All right, I'm driving.
Let's go.
You ain't tell them hi.
Hey, how y'all doing? We're gonna go to dinner or lunch.
It's dinner time?
It's lunch and it's hot outside and I just came from out the sun listening to the chief of naval operations. He was talking about a lot of stuff and it was hot because it was outside.
come off, girl. Yeah. 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 Okay. Look, you like this part. You like this part. Look, let me show you. Look, you like this part. Yeah, look. Water. Yeah, look, it's water and bubbles. Yeah, girl. Wait, tell mommy. Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. No pee-pee. No pee-pee. Good girl. No pee-pee. No pee-pee on mommy. Who did it? Mm, mm, mm. It's not milk. It's not milk. Not yet. Not yet. Okay. Yeah. Almost done. I just gotta wipe your neck. Can I wipe your neck? Okay. I'm coming. I'm coming. It smells amazing. Yeah. You want milk? I want milk, baby. Okay. I'm gonna give you some milk. I promise. I promise I'm gonna give that baby some milk. Yeah, I'm gonna give you some milk. Yeah. Who did that to my baby? Who did that to my baby? Yeah, I know. What? What? You angry? Are you angry? Can I do it? I'm sorry. I'm done. Look, look, I'm done. I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. I promise I'm gonna give you some milk. I promise. I promise. I promise. Put on your shirt. Put on your shirt. Yeah, girl. Hi.